Did you know that a single bottle of castor oil can solve a dozen of your everyday problems? This yellowish liquid extracted from castor beans has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and as a beauty aid. It's packed with beneficial properties, making it a versatile remedy for various ailments. In this video, we'll explore some surprising health benefits of castor oil you probably didn't know about. We'll delve into its uses, from inducing labor to treating fungal infections and even cleaning jewelry. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. It's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating castor oil into your routine, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or have any underlying health conditions. They can provide personalized advice and ensure it's safe for you. Now, let's dive into the amazing world of castor oil and discover its hidden potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content like this. Castor oil has a long history of being used to induce labor, and there's scientific evidence to support this practice. It contains ricinoleic acid, which acts as a natural laxative. When ingested, ricinoleic acid stimulates intestinal contractions, which can then trigger uterine contractions. However, it's crucial to emphasize that using castor oil for labor induction should only be done under the strict guidance and supervision of a qualified healthcare professional. Self-treating with castor oil during pregnancy can lead to complications and may not be safe for everyone. Your doctor can assess your individual situation, determine if castor oil is appropriate for you, and guide you on the proper dosage and method of administration. They can also monitor you and your baby for any potential side effects. Remember, while castor oil can be a helpful tool for labor induction, it's not a guaranteed solution, and other methods may be more suitable depending on your circumstances. Always prioritize the health and safety of both you and your baby. Let's talk about another surprising benefit of castor oil: its antifungal properties. Castor oil contains undecylenic acid, a natural fatty acid with potent antifungal effects. This makes it an effective treatment for various fungal infections, including athlete's foot, ringworm, and nail fungus. For mild cases of athlete's foot, you can apply a small amount of castor oil directly to the affected area twice daily. Its moisturizing properties can also help soothe the dry, cracked skin often associated with this condition. If you're dealing with nail fungus, you can soak a cotton ball in castor oil and apply it to the affected nail. Cover it with a bandage and leave it on overnight. Repeat this process daily for several weeks until you see improvement. However, it's important to note that while castor oil can be helpful for mild fungal infections, it may not be sufficient for severe cases. If your infection persists or worsens, consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Alright, let's talk about lymphatic drainage. Your lymphatic system is like your body's waste disposal system. It helps remove toxins and waste products. Castor oil is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. When massaged into the skin, it can help stimulate lymphatic flow. Gentle circular motions help move lymph fluid, encouraging detoxification. Scientific evidence is limited, but many find it beneficial. Use cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. Apply a small amount and massage towards your heart. Consult your doctor if you have any health conditions. Did you know castor oil can repel moles and rodents? It's a safe alternative to chemical repellents. The strong odor drives them away. Soak rags in castor oil and place them around. Reapply regularly, especially after rain. Keep it out of reach of pets and children. For persistent issues, consult a professional. Let's talk about something glamorous: cleaning jewelry. Castor oil can restore the sparkle to your favorite pieces. It's effective for intricate designs and porous materials. Its thick consistency clings to dirt in hard-to-reach crevices. Apply a small amount to a soft cloth or cotton swab. Gently rub the oil onto the surface, focusing on intricate details. Buff with a clean, dry cloth to shine. Best for metals like silver and gold, not for pearls or opals. Here is another surprising benefit and use of castor oil. This is something we could all benefit from. Next, we're diving into the world of skincare, specifically how castor oil can help with acne and blemishes. Now, you might be thinking, oil on my face? Won't that clog my pores? That's a common misconception. Castor oil actually has unique properties that can benefit acne-prone skin. It contains ricinoleic acid, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. This means it can help reduce the redness and swelling associated with acne. Castor oil is also known for its antibacterial properties. It can help fight off the bacteria that contribute to acne breakouts, preventing future blemishes. Plus, it's a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This is crucial for acne-prone skin, as dryness can actually trigger more oil production and worsen breakouts. Remember, everyone's skin is different. It's always a good idea to do a patch test before applying castor oil to your entire face, especially if you have sensitive skin. Start by applying a small amount to a small area and see how your skin reacts. If you experience any irritation, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. Let's face it, ladies, menstrual cramps are the opposite of fun. But what if I told you that castor oil might be able to offer some relief? You heard that right. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, and menstrual cramps are no exception. The key here is ricinoleic acid again. Remember how I mentioned its anti-inflammatory properties? Well, those same properties can work wonders on those pesky cramps. When applied topically to the abdomen, castor oil can help relax the muscles in the uterus, easing those painful contractions. Now I know what you're thinking. Applying oil directly to my skin during my period? Isn't that messy? That's where castor oil packs come in. These packs involve soaking a cloth in castor oil and placing it on the abdomen, usually with a heat source like a hot water bottle. The heat helps the oil penetrate the skin and work its magic. It's important to note that while castor oil can be helpful for menstrual cramps, it shouldn't be considered a replacement for traditional medical treatment. If you experience severe or debilitating cramps, it's crucial to consult your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. All right, folks, let's talk about circulation. Good blood circulation is vital for overall health, delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. And guess what? Castor oil can give your circulation a helping hand. Remember how we talked about castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties? Well, those properties can also help improve blood flow. When applied topically, castor oil can help dilate blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. One of the best ways to boost circulation with castor oil is through massage. A gentle massage with castor oil can help stimulate blood flow, particularly in areas where circulation might be compromised. This can be especially beneficial for people who experience poor circulation in their extremities, like cold hands and feet. It's important to note that while castor oil can be a helpful tool for boosting circulation, it's not a magic bullet. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise and a balanced diet is crucial for optimal circulation. And as always, if you have any underlying health conditions, it's essential to consult your doctor before incorporating castor oil into your routine. Hey everyone, we're on to number 9 on our list of castor oil benefits, and this one might surprise you. It's about improving sleep and combating insomnia. Now, I know what you're thinking, castor oil? For sleep? Hear me out. Castor oil has this unique ability to promote relaxation when applied topically. It's believed that the ricinoleic acid in castor oil, when absorbed, can actually trigger a calming effect on the nervous system. Think about it. When your body and mind are relaxed, it's easier to fall asleep and stay asleep, right? So gently massaging a little castor oil onto your abdomen or the soles of your feet before bed might just be the natural sleep aid you've been looking for. Remember, a little goes a long way, and consistency is key. If you're struggling with chronic insomnia, it's crucial to talk to your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Let's talk about migraines, those intense, throbbing headaches that can really disrupt your life. If you're someone who suffers from migraines, you know how debilitating they can be. Now, while castor oil isn't a magic cure for migraines, it has shown potential in providing some relief. One of the key properties of castor oil is its anti-inflammatory effect. Remember ricinoleic acid? That same compound that helps with sleep can also work to reduce inflammation in the body. So, how does this apply to migraines? Well, some researchers believe that inflammation might play a role in triggering migraines in some people. So by reducing inflammation, castor oil could potentially help lessen the severity or frequency of your migraine attacks. You can try applying a warm compress soaked in castor oil to your forehead or temples when a migraine strikes. Of course, it's important to understand that everyone is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. If you're considering using castor oil for migraines, talk to your doctor first, especially if you're already on medication. Alright, moving on, we're diving into the realm of detoxification with castor oil and how it can support liver health. Now, your liver is like a superhero, working tirelessly to filter toxins from your blood and keep your body running smoothly. But sometimes, it can use a little extra support. Castor oil has long been recognized for its potential detoxifying properties. When applied topically, it's believed to increase lymphatic circulation, which is crucial for removing waste products from the body. Think of your lymphatic system as your body's garbage disposal system, and castor oil can help make it more efficient. A popular method is to soak a cloth in castor oil and apply it as a warm compress over your liver area, usually on the right side of your abdomen, just below your rib cage. It's important to note that while castor oil can be a helpful tool for supporting liver health, it's not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and limiting alcohol intake are all essential for a happy and healthy liver. Alright, new moms and moms-to-be, listen up. We're talking about lactation and how castor oil might help. Breastfeeding can be beautiful but challenging. Some mothers struggle with milk production. Castor oil is traditionally used to stimulate milk supply. Applied topically, it may stimulate the lymphatic system. This could help remove toxins and improve milk flow. Always consult your doctor or lactation consultant first. They can guide you on the appropriate dosage and method. Every mom and baby is different. Prioritize safety and informed decisions. Now, let's move on to a completely different use of castor oil: leather care. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or just appreciate well-maintained leather goods, you know how important it is to keep them in top shape. Castor oil can actually be a great natural conditioner for your leather jackets, bags, shoes, and more. Castor oil is a natural emollient, meaning it helps to soften and moisturize. When applied to leather, it penetrates the material, preventing it from drying out and cracking. This helps to maintain the leather's suppleness and prolong its lifespan. Plus, it gives your leather goods a nice, subtle shine without making them greasy. To condition your leather with castor oil, simply apply a small amount to a clean, soft cloth and rub it into the leather in circular motions. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight to allow the oil to penetrate, then buff away any excess with a clean cloth. Remember, a little goes a long way with castor oil. Start with a small amount and gradually add more if needed. It's always a good idea to test it on an inconspicuous area first to ensure it doesn't darken or stain the leather. Alright, parents and caregivers, let's talk about cradle cap. You know, those yellowish, scaly patches on your baby's scalp? It's a common and usually harmless condition, but it can be a little concerning for new parents. Now, before you reach for harsh chemicals, you might want to consider a natural remedy like castor oil. Castor oil has been used for centuries for its skin-soothing properties, and it can be a gentle and effective way to loosen and remove those cradle cap flakes. Gently massage a small amount of castor oil onto your baby's scalp. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then use a soft brush or washcloth to gently remove the flakes. You can repeat this process a few times a week as needed. Of course, as always, it's important to consult with your pediatrician before using any new treatment on your baby, including natural remedies like castor oil. They can help you determine if castor oil is right for your little one and provide guidance on how to use it safely and effectively. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring the many potential benefits of castor oil. From inducing labor to cleaning jewelry, this versatile oil seems to do it all. But before you rush out and stock up, I want to emphasize one crucial point. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. While castor oil has a long history of traditional use, it's essential to remember that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Plus, some conditions require the expertise of a healthcare professional to ensure proper diagnosis and treatment. Self-treating can be risky, and in some cases, it can even worsen your condition or lead to complications. So, if you're experiencing any health issues, please don't rely solely on home remedies like castor oil. Instead, schedule an appointment with your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider. They can assess your individual needs, consider your medical history, and recommend the safest and most effective course of treatment for you. That's it for today's deep dive into the world of castor oil. We've uncovered some pretty amazing potential benefits, from its skin-soothing properties to its ability to possibly induce labor. Write in the comment section some of the things you have used castor for. Sharing can help someone else solve a problem they are having. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative, and subscribe to my channel for more evidence-based health and wellness content. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family. Spreading accurate health information is something we can all get behind. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.